Good afternoon, everyone. It is class number 2, October 9th, here at Kyushu Institute of Technology, Izuka campus, 5th period, English 7C. Okay, let's take a look at what we have to do this week. This week, I want to do some more work with shadow talking, and I want to set you up with both Quizlet and with Duolingo. I'll explain that a little bit later next week, but basically, I want to put you in one group where I can use Duolingo to help you do a little bit more work every week using the software. We'll be doing that after I do this recording. Okay. Also, we're going to be doing some shadowing using this material. And this is Quizlet material that we probably will not be studying this week, but I still want you to take a look at it because it's still important for your studies, for your vocabulary quizzes. And so even though if we don't do something in the Moodle, it's still your responsibility to make sure that you look at all of that material and you learn it even on your own. But the main assignment that you have to do this week is your vocabulary quiz number 1. Okay. I want you to take the vocabulary quiz up to 3 times. Okay. And the Moodle will remember your best score. So even if it was the first time, the second time, the third time, doesn't matter. Take it all 3 times. Moodle will remember your best score, just like you did with your listening quiz. Okay. And that, oh, by the way, that vocabulary quiz is based on units 1 and 2. Okay. And the next vocabulary quiz will be based on the next vocabulary that we study. The reflection that I want you to do this time, I want you to watch this YouTube video, and then I want you to answer this question. And again, I want you to write the answer on a piece of paper, take a picture of it, and send it up to Moodle. Okay? This video, I think, is about 7 minutes long. I forget how long this is.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how to
It's 6 minutes.
write.
So it's about 6 minutes long. Shouldn't take you that long to watch it. But if you want to watch it 2 times, 3 times, that's the good thing about, having this kind of assignment. Also, too, don't forget, if you watch this on YouTube, actually, let me click this over here. If you watch this on YouTube, okay, so over here, you watch it over here on YouTube.
対応したのに業務が増えた。勘定奉行クラウドなら減らせる。資料をダウンロード。アゴダならレジャーが安い。毎日お得なアゴダ。
The next thing about YouTube.
Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to.
Now for a second here. The nice thing on YouTube is that you can turn on the subtitles. And then with the subtitles, you can turn on the English subtitles. Okay. But even if you can see the subtitles and it's still difficult, this will be easier. It's still difficult. Remember, you can also put in the auto-translate. In the auto-translate, you can turn on the, okay, let me go all the way, GHIJ, Japanese. And it will change everything she's saying back into Japanese text, and you can double check to make sure that you understood. If you need the subtitles, I suggest you at least try to listen first in English, then use the English subtitles, and then when you really need it, you use the Japanese subtitles, okay? Okay, so that's reflection number 2. Write down on a piece of paper, take a picture, send it up to Moodle. If you have any questions about anything, as I said last week, my email is always here at the top. And you can always contact me either through email here or in this class as well, too. Okay, let's have a good class, everybody.